All right, I believe we are live. Let me check my phone, folks, and make sure everything's a go. While I'm doing this, let me know where everybody is tuning in from. My name is Ontarian Hawkins, the passive income guru. We got some things to talk about. It's been a long time since I did a live video, so all of you coming on, welcome. Welcome. What's up, KB? KB. Hold on one second, guys. Let me get some things in order here. Okay, we good. Welcome. We good. We're good. All right. What's up, folks? It's been a long time. How is everybody doing? Just wanted to come on real quick and talk about a few things. And the question today is, what are you mastering? Okay. Now, in life, we are able and capable of mastering many things, but I'm talking in the aspect of entrepreneurship business today. Okay. Most people, including, myself, when I was growing up, most people didn't have to think about mastering going to college. All right. They would spend thousands of dollars going to college and things like that, getting a degree. But unfortunately, most people, when it comes to starting their own business, entrepreneurship, what happens is they hesitate. A lot of people hesitate to start their own business that can literally, if they have a desire to do so, put them in a position financially to really not have to work anymore if that's their desire. Okay, so with that said, what I'm going to do is let me share my screen real quick, folks. And again, welcome to this video. Welcome to this live feed here. And stay tuned. So give me 1 second, folks. 1 second. All right. So check this out. So there's only a few things in the online business space that you're able to master, that we all can master. There's 3 things that I know of. Okay. So let me draw these out for you. Let me just spell them out. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. So bear with me 1 second here. So you're either going to master 3 things, okay, in the online business world. You can master all 3. You can master 2. You can master 1. Doesn't matter. It's all about getting started. Okay. So check this out. You can either master marketing. All right. You can master marketing. That's 1. You can master, what's another one? E-commerce. Now these are big things that's happening right now in the online space. You can master e-commerce, and excuse me on my spelling. I think that's how you spell e-commerce. And the last one is trading. Okay. Trading. And guys, I'm not worried about spelling here. If that's wrong, hey, that's okay. So be it. We don't care. All right. I'll look it up later. So marketing, e-commerce, and trade. Now, if you agree with that, if you agree with that these are the big 3. These are the big 3 entities online. If you can master 1 or more of these, you can do well. If you agree with that, give me a thumbs up real quick, or whatever icon you want to use, and let me know if you agree with that. Okay, marketing, e-commerce, or trading. All 3 of these are very, very powerful entities. If you have a vision, if you have a desire to do so, you can do it. Now, the great thing about this is you don't need a college degree to do these 3 things. Okay. Now you can get a college degree in marketing. I'm not aware of e-commerce, getting a degree in that, but I know for sure you can get a marketing degree. I don't have a marketing degree per se. Okay. Actually, I'm a college dropout. I dropped out of college. Should have did it a long time ago. And I decided to pursue my my dream in becoming an entrepreneur at an early age. In doing so, I had some ups and downs, had some struggles, had my first breakthrough in 5 years. Okay. It took me 5 years to have my first breakthrough. I had some little successes along the way, but it took me 5 years to break through. I had an email from a gentleman yesterday, actually 2 days ago, and he told me, he replied back to my email. He's on my email list. He replied back to one of my email blasts, and he said, "Hey man, I quit the online marketing game because it was just too hard. It's too hard." Okay. Now, mind you, I replied back to him and I said, "Hey man, don't give up so easy. It took me 5 years to have a breakthrough. I could have gave up a long time ago." Just think about that. If you give up too early, if you just stop digging too early, you're not going to strike gold, folks. Okay. You have to make it a point not to give up too early in the game. And if you decide to do that, then things will start to happen. So with that said, we have marketing, e-commerce, and trading. Now, real quick, I want to go backwards and touch on trading. Okay. This is what I've been focusing on for the last month or so. Okay. Really focusing on trading. Now, I'm talking about specifically Forex trading. Okay. Now, Forex trading, folks, if you don't know what it is, it's the foreign exchange. It is a $1 trillion industry. It is a legal way to make money, passive income, okay, legally. Now, you have to know what you're doing because it will eat your lunch if you don't know what you're doing, okay? If you come in trading with a gambling mentality, you will lose. If you come in with a greedy mentality, you will lose. Okay. You have to be patient in trading. You have to have some skill. You have to have some skill, and you have to look at this as a long-term, commodity. It's not something you're going to get rich overnight. It's a steady build. Okay. Now I'm going to show you right now live. I'm in a trade right now that is in profit. Okay. And I've been on this trade for probably a little bit over an hour. Okay. This is on my phone. I have a couple of tools that I use. One of those tools I'm going to talk about in just a second. This is how it looks right here. Okay. Let me drop down to this here. Okay. And my other tool is right to the left of me on my laptop. Okay. So this is one of the tools I use. I'm going to talk briefly about this in just a second. And then I have another tool that I use. And I'm also getting education from a company that I'm going to be talking about. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will know more about it. I'm going to be talking about it this coming Monday. We're looking to launch to the public. If you've been wanting to learn trading, the education that you will get with the company that I'm going to talk about Monday is going to be phenomenal. I'm talking about hands-on training, webinar type training every single week, Forex signals, different tools that's going to help you to be a successful trader. Now, if you come into trading and you learn the skills you need to learn, you're patient, okay, and you have vision, now, disclaimer now, I can't guarantee your success. But if you learn the skills that you need to learn, you can easily, maybe on your investment, increase your investment. Let's be conservative and say 0.5 to 1% per day, okay? 0.5 to 1% per day. I can guarantee you right now that if your money right now is sitting in a bank account, it's not getting 0.5 or 1% a day. But if you learn the skill of trading, folks, you can do it. Okay, you can actually do it if you're patient enough. If you learn the skill. Okay, there's been days when I've made this, and there's been days where I've made upwards of 5% or more on my money in a day. My goal every day is between these numbers, but there's days where, of course, in trading, you're not going to win everything. Okay, I got to be honest with you. You're not going to win every single trade. However, if you practice proper, what we teach is proper risk management, where you don't get greedy, you don't get, you don't become a gambler in this thing. If you practice proper risk management, you can do very well in trading. Okay, so for those of you who want to learn this skill, and as you can see, my trade is still going, it's going up. I'm going to show you one of the tools I'm using here. This is called the Wave Tech Indicator. Okay, and for those of you who want to learn trading, drop me a comment. Just say Forex, and I'll get with you on Monday and let you know how to get involved. Okay. If you guys want to take advantage of some of these tools that I'm using, it will definitely help to increase your win rate on a daily basis. So this is called the Wave Tech tool right here. I was fortunate and blessed enough to be a beta tester for this tool by a few of my good buddies. And I tell you what, folks, this tool right here is phenomenal. Okay, so let me just let you know what I'm looking at. Okay, this is my favorite pair to trade, which is Euro JPY. I love the JPY pairs. Okay, but Euro JPY is my favorite pair to trade. Now, from experience, trading, I can also trade cryptocurrencies with the broker that I use, but I highly recommend not trading cryptocurrency at first, especially if you're a beginner, because it's so volatile. I mean, it's all over the place. It's like a roller coaster. You want to stick with the pair, one pair, okay, and just master that pair. Okay, I know how Euro JPY moves. That's why I trade. Okay. Hey, hon.
Hey. Okay. Bye bye.
All right, man. Be careful. Okay.
Have a good one.
All right, you too, bro. All right. So, all right, what was that? Okay, so here we go. All right, now I'm in this trade right here, folks. Let me kind of zoom in a little bit. Let me go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, let me show you what I saw. Okay, this is the beauty of this indicator. Okay, you see this right here? You see this pink right here? All right, this is the 4-hour. The higher you go, the higher time frames that you look at as far as trend and looking at to get your entries and just really the higher time frames, I look at the trend. Okay, where's the trend? And then, I look at this indicator here, like right here, this pink right here that bounced down here and came up. That let me know that the market on the 4-hour chart, okay, on the 4-hour chart was oversold. Okay, it was oversold. So I put now, and I know that because right here we have a decision candle that popped up. Okay, and what I did also, I always, when I look at the 4 hours, say, okay, we have an oversold, we have a decision candle, and you see this line. This is a 62 EMA, and Micah, I think my boy Micah's watching. Let me know if I'm getting this wrong, bro. This long line right here that's changing colors, red, green. This is a 62 EMA. And basically, this 4-hour candle here, which is a buy candle, came over this 62 line here, and it changed its colors. That gave me the confirmation to drop down to the 30-minute chart. And as you can see here, we have the same. We have the market is starting to go up here because there is highly oversold, folks. Okay. All right. So we've had a good rally up. I drew a right here. This yellow line is a support line. You see, price came down, bounced up one time, came up, bounced down twice, came up, bounced down, came up. Now, I knew from that point, from just simple support and resistance, that the market was probably going to go up because of the support that the market had. If you don't know exactly, if you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry. There's going to be training on this, folks. Okay. Now, the market is steadily going up. My profit is still going up. Okay. You see that? All right. Now I'm looking for this on a 30-minute chart. I'm looking for this to turn green, and folks, it's going to be great once that happens. Okay. Even if I go to the hour chart. Okay. Now each candle here is 1 hour. All right. So we got our support zone right here. Market loves this zone right here. See how it bounces up here? And boom, we caught it right here. I got in probably right around here. And this is a good sign because check this out. Zoom in. It's green. Okay. It turned this 62. This is like a triple confirmation right here. First confirmation, I like to get in probably right here. This is the 13 EMA right here, this little small line right here. And then this is the 62. Once it crosses both of these, folks, we got a winner. Okay. This thing is probably going to go up some ways. So we show you, we have videos on how to use this. We have a Telegram group where we're calling out signals and exhaustion periods. What do I mean by exhaustion? Okay, right here we have some exhaustion right here. See the blue right here, which is the 4-hour line. This right here, the pink is what we're looking at for the market to start to move. Okay, so again, we have some information on how to get started with this. If you're interested in this indicator, let me know and I can help you with that. Okay, now Forex trading, folks, again, is phenomenal. Right now, I am up pretty nicely on my trade and profit, and I'm just going to let it ride. I'm going to move my stop loss up so I can, collect those profits. It becomes a risk-free trade after a while. All right, so let me look at the comments real quick, see if anyone has any questions so far. Let's see here. All right, bear with me, folks. All right. KB said, try to be like me, huh? Trying to be like you, KB. All right. So Victor asks, is this IML? No, sir, this is not dealing with IML. All right. Okay. Cool deal. Okay. So let's move forward. So we talked a little bit about trading. To be honest, folks, I am not doing anything with e-commerce. Okay. I'm not doing anything with e-commerce. So I'm going to mark that out. All right. I've done a little bit of e-commerce in the past. However, I just wasn't passionate about it. Okay. I just really was not passionate about e-commerce. Okay. But trading is where it's at. You can literally print money, folks, if you learn the trading game. Okay. You can literally print money. And it's all about education when it comes to trading. Everything I have here is about education. So once you get the education, like many of you probably got a college education, you spent 4 years or more to go to college and, spend some time, spend some money to learn a skill that can take you to the top financially. Okay. And trading can do it. You talk about compounding. Let me show you something real quick. Show you some numbers because I know a lot of you are numbers folks. I'm going to go to this website called compounddaily.com. Okay. You can check it out for yourself, compounddaily.com. All right. So and look, even Albert Einstein, okay. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. That's the truth, folks. All right. So let's say you learn some skills in Forex. You want to try your hand at it. Okay. And you feel confident. So you start an account with $1,000. All right. Start an account with $1,000. And let's just say for conservative matters, we're gonna shoot for 1% a day. Okay, we're gonna shoot for 1% a day. And we're gonna do that for 365 days, which is 1 year. We're going to daily reinvest 100%. We will not include weekends because we're just dealing with the Forex, not the crypto. We're dealing with Forex, which the Forex market is open 5 days a week. Okay. Now you can trade cryptocurrency 7 days a week. Cryptocurrency never sleeps. However, the main Forex trading, all your euro, all your other pairs, 5 days a week. Okay. Let's calculate this. 1% a day for 5 days a week for a whole year. Compounding. We're talking about compounding. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Okay. So if you started today with $1,000, your principal would have grown to over $37,783.54 by Thursday, August 22nd, 2019. All right. That is, to me, guys, that's in a year. That is phenomenal from a $1,000 investment. Okay. Think about that. $1,000 in a year, 1% gain per day, 5 days a week, 37,000. That is phenomenal, folks. Okay. Let's move this up to 2%. Watch what happens with 2% a day. All right, check this out. 1,377,401.16, folks. That is absolutely phenomenal. Okay, so now you see the power of trading here. It goes a long way. Okay, it goes a long way. I'm going to add something, one more piece right here, and I'm going to talk briefly about it at the end. Okay, I'm going to add one more piece. I'm just going to put, how can I word this here? Let's put, let's see, vision. I'm going to put vision opportunity. I'm going to explain why I say that here later on, okay? Vision opportunity. What I mean by that is basically, those who have a vision will see this opportunity. That's what I mean. Vision, opportunity. Okay. All right. So we covered trading. Let's talk about marketing. Let's talk about marketing. Does anyone have any questions so far? Let me know. Let me know. All right. So here we go. Marketing. What is marketing? Marketing is simply preparing people to make a purchase, folks. That's what marketing is. You're preparing people to make a purchase. Okay. Now, there is marketing is very simple. I'm going to open up another page here. My little whiteboard. Marketing is very simple, folks. You're preparing people to make a purchase depending on what product or service that you are promoting. Okay. So in order for marketing to work, you need three main things. All right. You need a website, or one of my favorite things to execute and build, or a sales funnel, or both. I have both of them, a sales funnel. You also need, so once you have these in place, you need to find a way to generate traffic. And you need to find a way, and that traffic needs to eventually convert to leads. All right. So you need a website, you need a sales funnel, you need traffic, you need leads. And then eventually what's going to happen is you're going to start making sales. Simple, right? Sounds simple on paper. Actually, it's pretty simple once you actually set everything up. It's pretty simple. Now, I've been with a system. Let me just give you an example here. Let me go to my email here real quick and show you. So I've been with a company by the name of the Power Lead System for 3 years now, about 3 years. Okay. And I'm going to put this in real quick. So bear with me 1 second. So remember I told you that in marketing, it takes a website, sales funnel, traffic, leads, and those leads will eventually produce sales. So the Power Lead System is just one of the programs that I use for marketing purposes. I have several opportunities that I promote, and I need sales funnels for these things. Now, sales funnels is basically a marketing strategy where it does all the selling and telling for you. Now, once you get the leads, the traffic there, and the traffic becomes leads, then the presentation inside of the sales funnel will do most of the work for you, okay? Once you set it up with autoresponders and all that, okay? Now, in a nutshell, what happens is when that process starts to turn, it starts to spit out leads. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. The leads, you see this where it says priceless possibilities right here? These are leads coming in to my business, okay? Now, all this right here, gold, affiliate, gold, fast start, all this right here, customer, these are people who said, yes, I'm going to sign up. Most of these people, I really didn't talk to them, okay? So what I did, there's a certain few methods that I use online every day to drive traffic to my sales funnel, okay? I do, of course, videos, and then I buy traffic, and then I also I use other social medias to get in front of a lot of people, okay? In return, what I call marketing with the law of gravity, what happens is the leads that come in will eventually turn to sales with consistency, So it's been very, very good. It's been very good. And we have, inside of this system that I'm using, we have a way for you to plug in and to start to see results in a great, in a very short amount of time. Let me show you some more results here of what I'm talking about. All right. So if I go to, we have a group called the Freedom Takers. And I'm going to go here. All right. So let me just show you a few more results of people. I'm not the only one that's having success here. 2 hours ago, Kiki Cooper. All right. She had someone come in who she had an affiliate come in just now, probably 2 hours ago. Okay. We have Mario Boughton. I think I'm saying his name right. He's also generating leads and getting signups. He said he had 4 gold members. These are, every time we get gold members, they turn into residual income. 4 gold members in less than 24 hours and 2 more 6 days ago, okay, using one of our traffic sources that we recommend, okay. Bradley Buchanan, he just posted this an hour ago. He's having great success as well, folks. Jennifer Kaiser, 2 hours ago, she says she loves paid traffic, just 23 days of driving traffic, 955 leads, and $200 in commissions. Congratulations, Jennifer. Okay. So this is, I can go pages and pages, folks, of showing you, people who are having success with this system. Marketing is very simple. Find a system that is turnkey, that is duplicatable. I've been looking for a system like this for a long time. Something that everybody that comes in, no matter your experience, you can duplicate. Okay. Very, very key. I started in MLM, network marketing. Everybody can't duplicate in traditional MLM. But when you have a system like this in place where we show you exactly what we're doing, you can definitely duplicate our success, okay? It happens over and over again. I'm seeing average people who are having major success with this company, okay? Major success, okay? So what I tend to do is when I make the money from marketing, and this is my phase one. My system, my foundation in business is broken down in phases. This is phase one of my system, which is marketing, because it's going to bring in the steady cash flow. So once the cash flow starts coming in, folks, I take a portion of that and I put it into trading, because eventually, hopefully, you want your money to start working for you. Okay. So for those of you working a job, eventually you want to retire. You want your money working for you. If you're in a 401k or you have a pension plan, that's the goal. You make the money, and then you want the money to work for you. You don't work for money the rest of your life. Most people, unfortunately do. Okay. But we don't want to, if you're like me, you don't want to work for the money the rest of your life. You want the money to work for you. Okay. So that's why the marketing is key, because it's going to give you that daily cash flow, that weekly, that monthly cash flow to put into trading, where you can earn potentially, okay, not guaranteed, potentially 0.5 to 1% or more per day, folks, in compounding. You saw the numbers that I showed you just now. Okay. So I'm going to wrap it up here. The last brief thing I want to talk about is the vision opportunity. Now, especially if you are in the United States of America, I want you to pay close attention, okay? Close attention. We are looking for individuals. If you are passionate about, if you have a passion about something, you have an invention idea, or you already invented something and you want to take that mainstream, okay? Or if you want to learn how to serve your fellow Americans and learn how to generate an income doing that, I have something special for you. I can't go into detail about it. All I can do is point you to this website, okay? All I can do. And now what I'm going to do after I get done here, I'm going to leave the websites that I've been talking about in the description below this video, or above this video, rather, so that you can check them out, okay? Go to asacampaign.com. Okay, ASA, this is how it looks right here. Go right here. Okay, asacampaign.com. I want you to, first of all, start right here. Okay, and just work your way through. If you see the vision here, which I know you will, if you see the vision here, get started, okay? Get certified. You will not be sorry that I told you this. Only a few people will see, only a few people have vision, folks, unfortunately. Most of us don't, we can't see beyond our current state. But entrepreneurs, we are geared, we are wired to see something that has not yet been, okay? We are wired to pursue something that has not yet been. What I mean by that is, me personally, over 10 years ago now, I wanted to start a business, and I did online. I didn't see my success, early on. It took me 5 years, remember, to have a breakthrough. But later on, I started to see successes. All right. This right here is not another opportunity. I'm going to just say that right now. What you see right here in front of you it is not another opportunity. It is a movement. Okay, I just wanted to break that down. It's not MLM, it's not affiliate marketing, it's not trading, it's none of that. I want you to see it for yourself. Go to asacampaign.com. You will be happy that I told you, okay? So guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you got something out of this video here. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Facebook. I'll be happy to help you. And for those of you who are interested in either Forex trading or marketing or the vision opportunity, feel free to contact me. All right. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. God bless. Oh, let me see if anyone got any questions real quick. Give me 1 second. Does anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions so far? What's up, Randall Jenkins? Good to see you, my man. Been a long time. What's up, Phil? Mr. Fernandez. All right, folks. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a great day.